Well, welcome back. Well, here we are playing with the Pride frequency counter clock again. And I got some of these little mini buttons. I'm gonna have to get some extenders. But got those soldered in. I tried just doing a permanent contact on there and it seems to mess it up. So I put some jumpers in there and then I clipped them and it seems to work better. Alright, so suppose we can turn this upside down. Here, hang on a sec. Oh, yeah. I got that. That's what that resistor is supposed to look like. That's the old one. That's the old one, little. And that's what it's supposed to look like. Cool, huh? Alright, so let's put this little feller over. Yay. And we can set the clock now. I just take a pen, and you know, if I'm setting a clock, maybe that's all I need. We can set the time. There's the fast time set. And there's the slow time set, which I don't see a giant difference. And then, if you want to sync your clock to another clock, you can just run ahead and hit the hold button and it stops. Just like that. So, we got that going. We got the RF part going. Now, one of these days I'm going to sit down and figure out how I'm going to test this. Maybe I'd use my car again. Alright. Talk at you later.